In today's video, I will walk you through how to ask ChatGPT for specific facts and details. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, you first need to access ChatGPT. You can do that by visiting the official ChatGPT website and signing into your account. Once you're inside the platform, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can begin creating and using chats. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the area where you can start a new conversation. One thing that's useful to understand early on is that each chat works like its own separate conversation. ChatGPT remembers the context of what you've already discussed within that specific chat, so if you continue asking follow-up questions later, it can keep track of the conversation and respond based on that earlier information. Before getting into examples, there are a couple of things worth keeping in mind. ChatGPT can be very helpful, but it does have limitations. Information can sometimes be incomplete or contain mistakes, so it's always a good idea to verify important details. If you're using it for research or anything that requires accuracy, taking a moment to fact-check can be helpful. Now let's focus on one of the most basic but useful ways to use ChatGPT, which is asking for specific facts or details. This works similarly to a search engine where you're looking for information, but instead of opening multiple websites and reading through different pages, ChatGPT can provide a written response that gathers information into one answer. Down in the message box, you can type a question directly. For example, you could ask, "Who is the founder of Amazon?" After submitting the prompt, ChatGPT generates a response with the information you're looking for. In this case, it explains the co-founders of Apple and gives you the details in a summarized format. The interesting part is that you're not limited to one question. Since this works as an ongoing conversation, you can continue asking related questions without starting over. Here's another example. You could type, "Who wrote the book 24 Laws of Power?" ChatGPT then returns the answer in the same conversational style. Instead of searching through several links, the information is presented directly in the chat window. This type of prompt is one of the easiest ways to begin using ChatGPT because you're asking direct questions and receiving direct responses. You can experiment with different topics and ask for facts, details, or information on many different subjects. That's how you can ask ChatGPT for specific facts and details.